Ready to hit $10,000 a month in 2025? Let's dive in. The secret to unlocking your $10,000 month potential lies in buying the right business. Imagine owning a bustling cafe, a thriving e-commerce store, or an in-demand local service. The opportunities are endless. In 2025, sustainable product lines are hot. Businesses offering eco-friendly products are not just trendy, they're magnets for loyal customers. And don't forget AI-powered solutions. Acquiring a business that leverages AI for marketing or operations is a game changer. Health and wellness ventures are booming too. Fitness, nutrition, mental health, these sectors are drawing major investment. Plus, businesses catering to remote work are thriving, with services like co-working spaces and virtual assistants in high demand. Prefer something more personalized? E-commerce stores that offer custom products are winning hearts and wallets. And digital marketing agencies? They're growing fast by integrating SEO, automation, and social media management. Looking for low investment yet high growth? Freelance graphic design, virtual assistant services, and content marketing are your new best friends. These businesses offer significant returns without breaking the bank. When buying a business, quality customer service is key. Look for businesses with a stellar reputation. And those who actively seek customer feedback, they're the ones poised for future growth. Franchising is another golden opportunity. Lower startup costs, proven models, and brand recognition make it a smart move. From food and beverage to health and wellness, there's a franchise for everyone. Ready to start your journey? Dive into these opportunities and make that $10,000 month dream a reality. Remember, success is calling. Don't wait. Take action today and unlock your future.